You walk into a room and people barely acknowledge you. You speak up in meetings and everyone talks over you. You try to set boundaries, but nobody takes you seriously. Sound familiar? The truth is, respect isn't automatically given. It's earned. And if you're not getting it, there are specific reasons why. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 real reasons people don't respect you, and more importantly, how to fix them. Look, this isn't about changing who you are or becoming someone you're not. This is about understanding the hidden patterns in your behavior that are secretly destroying the respect you deserve. I've seen these patterns destroy careers, relationships, and self-confidence. But once you recognize them, everything changes. So let's get straight into it.
Reason number 1.
The first reason people don't respect you is because you apologize way too much. And I don't just mean saying sorry. I mean the constant need to justify your existence. Sorry, can I ask a question? Sorry for taking up space. Sorry for having an opinion. Sorry for breathing. Here's what's really happening. When you apologize for things that don't need an apology, you're training people to see you as someone who's always in the wrong. You're positioning yourself beneath them before the conversation even starts. Think about it. When someone constantly apologizes, what message does that send? It says, I don't believe I deserve to be here. I don't trust my own judgment. Please validate me. And people pick up on that instantly. The fix? Start catching yourself. Replace sorry with thank you. Instead of sorry for being late, try thank you for waiting. Instead of sorry to bother you, say thanks for your time. This simple shift changes everything because you're no longer positioning yourself as a burden. Reason number 2, you have 0 boundaries. You say yes when you mean no. You let people interrupt you, disrespect your time, and walk all over your limits. And you think you're being nice, being accommodating, being the good person. But here's the harsh truth. People don't respect those who don't respect themselves. When you allow someone to cancel on you last minute repeatedly, when you let people speak to you disrespectfully, when you take on everyone else's work because you can't say no, you're teaching them that your time, energy, and life have no value. Boundaries aren't about being mean or difficult. They're about teaching people how to treat you. And without them, you become a doormat. The fix? Start small. Say no to one thing this week that you would normally say yes to out of guilt. When someone crosses a line, address it calmly but firmly. I'm not available for that. That doesn't work for me. I need you to speak to me respectfully. You don't need to explain. You don't need to justify. Just set the boundary and hold it. Reason number 3 is a big one. You're constantly seeking validation from others. Every decision you make, you're looking around to see if people approve. You share an idea and immediately watch their faces for reactions. You change your opinion based on what's popular. You need others to tell you that you're smart, that you're good enough, that you matter. And people sense this desperation from a mile away. When you need external validation to feel okay about yourself, you hand over all your power to other people. You become easy to manipulate because your sense of worth depends on their approval. Respected people don't need permission to exist. They know their value isn't up for debate. The fix? Start making small decisions without asking for input. Order what you want at a restaurant without explaining why. Share your opinion and let it stand, even if others disagree. Build internal validation by keeping promises to yourself. When you prove to yourself that you can trust your own judgment, you stop needing everyone else's approval. Reason number 4 is you say one thing and do another. You tell people you're going to do something, then you don't follow through. You set standards for yourself, then break them when it's convenient. You talk about your values, but your actions tell a completely different story. This is the fastest way to lose respect, and it's often invisible to the person doing it. When your words and actions don't align, people learn one thing about you. You can't be trusted. Not because you're a bad person, but because you're unreliable. And nobody respects someone they can't rely on. Maybe you constantly talk about getting in shape, but never work out. Maybe you complain about your job, but never take steps to change it. Maybe you say you value honesty, but tell white lies all the time. The fix? Become ruthlessly honest with yourself. Before you commit to something, ask yourself if you're actually going to do it. If the answer is no, don't make the promise. Start small. Keep one commitment to yourself this week, then another, then another. Respect is built through consistency, not through big declarations. Reason number 5, people don't respect you, you're emotionally reactive. Someone criticizes you and you explode. Things don't go your way and you shut down. You let your emotions control you instead of controlling your emotions. Don't get me wrong, emotions are natural, but when you're constantly reactive, people start walking on eggshells around you. And when people have to manage your emotions for you, they lose respect for you. Respected people have emotional control. They don't suppress their feelings, but they choose how to express them. They don't let anger, frustration, or hurt dictate their behavior in the moment. The fix? Create space between trigger and response. When something bothers you, pause, take a breath. Ask yourself, is this reaction going to serve me? Count to 10 if you need to. Respond intentionally, not impulsively. This single skill will transform how people perceive you because it shows emotional maturity and self-control. So there you have it. 5 reasons people don't respect you. You apologize for everything, you have no boundaries, you constantly seek validation, your words and actions don't match, and you're emotionally reactive. Here's the good news. All of these are fixable. Respect isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent, having integrity, and respecting yourself first. Start with 1. Pick the reason that hit you the hardest and work on it this week. Small changes create massive shifts in how people perceive and treat you. If this helped you, let me know in the comments which reason resonated most with you. And I'll see you in the next video.